Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix lag and crash problem, also update problems in Farlight 84. So let's go to setting, then go to sound and display. If your mobile is lagging, you can keep setting on smooth and keep it on low frame rate and on realistic. So you can also solve problem like this. Then if you have update problem, you can, if you restart your game or if show update problem or not updating your Farlight 84, you can change connection or also reconnect your Wi-Fi. You can also check updates from here, Play Store. Go to Farlight and also update your Farlight 84 from here if it show any update. So thanks for watching my video. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Also like my video.